All right, guys. So we have math score and science score. I gave you a hint on the assignment that I want the math score on the x-axis. So these are my x values, these are my y values. I'm going to pause the video and graph these so that it saves on some time. All right, so I graphed, and I can already tell this is a pretty strong correlation, and I can tell that it's going up. So I could answer that below, but first let me draw my line of best fit. All right, I gotta encompass my data. I'm getting better at drawing straight lines. Ooh. All right, there that is. Let me switch colors. I'm gonna do pink. Let's cut this in half. Oh, lovely. It's going through these dots. I'd say it's not going through these because that's when my little squiggle happens. So I have 4 above, 3 below. Try better this time. Yeah! Woo! Alright, extending it. You guys will definitely have better lines than me. Alright, now I can answer some questions down below. So what is this correlation? That's me asking, is it positive or negative? Is it weak or strong? Look at these dots. They are right up on that line. That is strong. So I'm going to say it's strong. Is it going up or is it going down? It is going up. So I'm going to say it's positive. Draw a line of best fit, I already did. Using the line of best fit, estimate the science score of someone who got a 73 on the math test. So 73 would be about here. I'm going to go up to my line. So about here, let me even use this. I'm going to make it green. All right, 73 would be about here. I'm going to go up until it hits my pink line. Bam! It hit my pink line right about here, right below this line. So I can say that they would get, actually it'd be further down here. I'd say they'd get a 68. Because, well, Ms. V kind of botched that line. But I feel like you guys get the point. So I'm going to say they would get a 68 on the math test. Now make that red. All right. Then it's going to ask, oh, does it not? Does this one not? Ooh, this one doesn't ask what the line of best fit is. Well, let me tell you anyway. The line of best fit, or the y-intercept. I'm losing my mind, guys. The y-intercept. So I would look at my line of best fit and go, when does it cross the y-axis? It crosses at 10. So my y-intercept is 10. That was something that got a lot of people because they were just like, what do you mean? Because they didn't extend their line. Notice how I extended my line all the way through. That is what I would like you to do. So the Wednesday assignment is very similar to this. I'm looking to have a quiz for real this time on Friday just to gauge your mastery, make sure that you guys are getting it. And then I'm going to proceed the rest of the school year without giving you guys new information. I'm going to give you guys mostly old information. So Pythagorean theorem, we're going to hit that stuff again to make sure it really is in your head. Because as a school, we've deemed that it's really not fair to give you guys new information when you basically you're teaching yourself. So we're giving you old information, but we're presenting it in new ways. So just be aware, I'm not going to throw anything new at you. It's just so that you're not overwhelmed.